Oh, we have twins in Havana. I'm back on the main strip here. Oh, shit. People are breaking things and running. Oh, it's a big fight. Hola from Havana. I'm gonna take you guys through a day in the life / night in the life, nighttime tips of where to go, what to do on a Saturday night in Havana. There's not many videos of it, so why not take you on a journey for a Saturday night in Havana. I'm here with my amigo. Just say your name.
Alejandro.
Alejandro, where are you from?
Hello, I am from Santiago de Cuba. It's here in Cuba.
So he's my guide in Havana. He's gonna take me around to the popular spots. So how long have you been in Havana for?
Yeah, for the 8 years.
8 years.
8 years living in this city.
So what do you think about the nightlife in Havana? Is it good? The nightlife?
Yeah, it's good. It's good life.
Lots of parties?
Yeah, it's the parties. It's very nice experience. A lot of tourists come here and the fruit for the very nice experience for the different people, the different country.
Yeah. But how are the nightclubs, the clubs, the discos?
Oh, the disco is very nice. It's very nice. This mix is of the different experience for the different country. In the Cuban people and the fruit for the different. In the party and the music song, it's the fire, it's nice people.
And right here, is this a club? Right here?
The house music, yeah.
Casa de la Música?
This is the most popular.
The House de la Música. Would you refer people to come here?
Oh yeah, it's nice. Today is the Saturday. It's a very nice day.
It's a big day for Casa de la
A lot
Música.
of people go here in the Saturday. Yeah, the house of music.
What time do people usually go to nightclubs in Cuba?
This is the for nice trip in Cuba. Is the house of music.
No, but ¿qué hora do people go to?
In the Friday, the Saturday for the good time. In the 11 and 12.
11 and 12.
In the club, yeah.
And what time do the clubs close at? What time do they finish? Yeah.
In the 4 a.m. and 6 a.m.
So Cubans like to party.
Yeah, it's a party. Yeah.
And I saw where we're going right now. It's like a square. Like people go outside, they drink, they talk in the park. No?
Oh yeah. And the people go to the park for this. It's more economic option. It's very more economic option, and every people go to the park. It's free inside for the friend and drink for the cheap beer and the cheap drink. For the highest communication for the long time.
Yeah.
Inside in the park for the 10 p.m., 11 p.m. and come back for the home in the 6 a.m., 7 in the morning.
And I see sometimes there's tourists there. They talk with locals. The tourists, communication with locals, and it's a good time to meet people, right?
Yeah, but it's very nice experience for tourists. And every tourist come here on the wall and talk for the Cuban people. This very safe in the street. It's very safe.
Yeah. You still find Cuba safe at night?
Yeah, at night it's possible for walk for every place, every square, and you walk and talk for the Cuban people and listen to music and dancing and drink for the same drink and the Cuban people.
For sure,
it's
yeah.
Nice. This is the fucking paradise.
It's paradise, eh? So we're coming up. What is this place called?
This is the park. This is the name of the park. This is Fe del Valle.
Fe del Valle.
Fe del Valle. This is the park. This is the most popular park. Looking for a lot of people. It's your night. This is your night. I'm looking for a lot of people. In 2 hours, in 2 hours 30 minimum.
In 2 hours.
Yeah, for a lot of people here.
So like 12 o'clock, 12. Amazing.
And a lot of speaking the music, for the different music.
There's música aquí?
Yeah.
Después, after.
Yeah, after, yeah.
So here we are in this park. You see like guys just chilling. What's up? Going around. The vibes are good here in Havana. Amazing vibes in Havana. It looks like a lot of younger people come here too, no?
Yeah.
Because it's cheaper, right?
For the more young people.
The more young people come here.
The 100% people stay here. These are the 80%. These are young people.
So this would be a primarily Cuban area.
Yeah.
Not more for the tourists, more for if you want to meet locals.
This place, this is more common and go here for the Cuban people. This is not a lot of tourists. This is for the more popular the Cuban people.
Amazing. So you guys can see there's going to be nightclubs here, no?
Yeah, I go yesterday here.
Over here? Okay, we're going to show you some outsides of the nightclubs just so you get the vibe. A lot of people here. it could be intimidating, but actually it is safe. I've been here for a few weeks now, and the vibe is good. As you can see. So where is this? Where are we right now? What's this street called? The nombre of the street.
This is the Boulevard, the San Rafael.
San Rafael Boulevard.
Yeah.
And it's good. For sure, it's popular for the nightclubs.
Yeah, it's more popular for the nightclub. Yeah. A lot of people go here for the war, for the light show, see on drink.
Yeah.
Or small.
And Saturday, you think Saturday is the most
Saturday
popular
is
night?
the most popular day, yeah.
Fantastic.
Tomorrow is Sunday, this free day for relax.
In Cuba on Sundays,
Yeah.
they take a rest.
Yeah, but the more popular tradition is a lot of people go to here on the Saturday in the 4 and the 6 a.m. and go. A lot of people go to the beach.
And what do people usually
Yeah.
do? Do they drink before? Do they drink in the club? Like, what do Cubans usually do?
For drink.
Yeah, for drinking. Do they
Yeah.
drink before they go out?
Drink for everything. And drink in the morning, drink in the afternoon, drink
Always,
after
huh?
the school, drink after the work, drink after the sleep.
And these are some like little restaurants,
Yeah, it's a restaurant, the fast food.
fast food.
Yeah.
Because in Cuba, you guys don't have McDonald's, you guys don't
No
have,
McDonald's, no Wendy, no
No.
Taco Bell.
it's all private. Everything's
Only-
private.
Only for the Cuban market.
Only for the Cuban market.
Yeah.
You guys can see San Rafael, very popular place. I'm gonna pop into one of the bars. I'm a little bit curious about the music because of copyright issues, but I've been in a few of these places. They are very friendly, and yeah, I don't feel any danger going on Havana. But I'll tell you this, if you go out in San Rafael, there is no tourists that I see here. You guys can see behind me on the camera. It's only me as a tourist, which isn't bad. It's not a bad thing. I think that if you guys go travel, you guys should mingle with the locals. Stay away from the more touristy places. Go out, venture, meet new people, because believe me, when you start meeting people from other countries, you start learning different things, different perspectives, especially in Cuba, because their way of life here is totally different than in the rest of the world. Cuba specifically is an extremely different place. But you'll see here how people just set up, chill out, have their speaker, listen to music, and just chill. But yeah, they're very curious of the cameras here, because I guess not a lot of people do it. But it's not the cleanest area. There's some piss on the street where families are. And here's my friend coming back. I almost lost you, bro.
The old friend.
It's only Cubans here, huh?
Yeah, it's only Cuban people, yeah.
But I think this would be a good thing for tourists to try.
Yeah,
no?
and the tourists work for here on the transfer and go and come back inside and look. This surprise, it's normal situation, right? It's normal for tourists.
Yeah.
And the tourists sign, this is a hole, this danger, be careful, and come back.
But it's not.
It's very safe.
Yeah, it looks very safe. Yeah.
It's only for the tourists. But in every Latin country, this is more different.
We're just having an interesting discussion. There's a lot of prostitution in Cuba, right?
All right, yeah.
It's a lot of prostitution.
This is the bad economy.
Right.
But for the lot of golf, I go for the street. Most multiply for the lot of golf, makes it the young golf.
Yeah.
25 and 24. I need at the golf. I need for the trip. Yeah.
Yeah.
I need for the shoes. I need food for
Yeah.
the new life. And go to the strip. I take for the tourist, for the prostitute.
So would you say if a tourist comes to Cuba and they want to meet a local Cuban girl,
for
you
sex.
think they have to pay?
Yeah. In the 50% the tourists go to Cuba for sex.
50% of tourists come.
50%, yeah.
No, but what if a tourist comes here and they want to just find love? They want to find love. Is it possible?
Yeah, this is possible.
But you need to pay.
And the pay, yeah.
You need to pay.
You need to pay.
Because the economy is so bad here that the women expect money no matter what from a tourist.
Yeah, but the girlfriend look at the tourists, and the tourists need this good tourist, this beautiful man.
Sí.
But I need the money.
But they need the money no
and
matter
through
what.
the sex, I'll take the money after.
And that's even a normal girl.
Yeah, in the normal girl.
We call those 50%.
Yeah.
Prostitutes.
Prostitute, yeah.
Pero the real, where would you, so for the viewers, where would someone find real prostitutes? Where do the real prostitutes go? Is it Casa de la Musica?
Yeah, in the
Is
house
it
of
La Calle?
music. In the house of music for the more popular club in the night. And
Where
the
tourists
for the
go.
lotto and the rich tourists going. And the tourists going only for drink and the sex.
And that's,
Yeah, and the tourists and preparation. And preparation before.
okay.
Yeah.
So if you go to Casa de la
Yeah.
Musica and you want to find a normal girl,
Yeah.
it's not happening.
It's not happening. Yeah, and the normal girl I go in the house of music for the fruit. In the house of music inside, and the girl inside, in the 80% this is prostitute.
All for the
Yeah, and
dineros.
In the every club. The lane for here.
Besos for the besos, huh? My friend made some friends here. Say hola. Hola to YouTube. Don't be scared.
No se asoman de nuevo y se me esconden y yo
These are my amigos. Oh! We have twins in Havana. Okay, are we going to get a drink? You want a drink?
Ay, me gusta.
I'm back on the main strip here. Oh, shit. People are breaking things and running. Oh, it's a big fight. Holy shoot. Oh my God, it's mass. Holy crap, let's get in on this, guys. How do I keep finding this shit? Oh. Big fight here. This guy just broke 2 bottles. Holy crap. I don't know what goes on here at night, but we're back in the main square. I'm pretty obvious now with the camera. I'm taking the risk for you guys, but I'm trying to get some food. I'll let you guys know how that works, but it's a little bit dangerous. This is in enemy territory right now. Hello. So we have some food aquí. A fight broke out, as you guys saw in the video, while they were making the sandwiches, so I had to take the phone away. People were getting really, really dodgy. It looked a little bit dangerous. I'm the only tourist here at night. When you go out on Rafael, be prepared to be the only tourist. So it could be intimidating for first timers, but yeah, but it is dangerous too, so just be aware. Having your phone out like this. Pork sandwiches. It's a roasted pork, a little bit cold with the butter on the bun. Try it out. Real review, here we go. Oh, salty. It's so hard to get good food in Cuba. No travel, no vida. Signing out. Peace.